What's up, Robert? Gary here from SaferWholesale.com. And again, we're doing a little video here for the Charger golf cart. Once again, in stock, ready to go, ready to ship out to you in Nevada. Robert F. out of, again, Nevada. So give us a call right now. Any questions? But like I said, here you go. Here's the unit. It's ready to go, ready to ship. The Charger, once again, it's got 2 speeds, ludicrous mode, and then it's got, it's regular. It'll go about 20 to 25 miles per hour. It's pretty quick. Again, it's got Trojan batteries in it. It's got the backup camera, whole 9, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Again, we will ship right out to you. And again, you can see we're the real deal. Here at SaferWholesale.com, we can ship and deliver nationwide right to your front door. All the different golf carts that we sell on the website. We've got all kinds of different UTVs, golf carts, go-karts, scooters, so much different stuff. This entire room right here is filled up. And again, we can ship all these nationwide right to your front door. Thanks for your business, Robert from Nevada. So long.